Okay, we have more simplifying to do, so let's take a look at this. The directions say to simplify, and they want you to write the answer with positive exponents. Sometimes it's okay to leave with negative exponents, and sometimes they want with positive exponents. So make certain you follow the directions. And if you're like, what if they don't say if they want the exponents positive or negative? Then you ask your instructor. Cool? All right, let's take a look at this problem. So I have parentheses. Order of operations says do parentheses first. What operation is in the parentheses? Multiplication. So can I do 9 times x? No. But if you recall from a different video, lecture video, this is extremely similar, this particular problem. I have a power on the outside of the parentheses. And what do I do with that power outside the parentheses? Right. You distribute it to the powers inside the parentheses. And technically, since there's 2 bases, each base has a power. You're like, I don't see it. Well, what's always the number there, even though you don't see it? A 1. So technically, this is 9 to the power of 1. And then I have x to the power of 1. And remember, since it's multiplication, I can break them apart into 2 little problems to work on. And each of these is going to be, negative 2 is going to be distributed to both of those. So we have 9 to the negative 2, and we have x to the negative 2. What's 9 squared? Yeah, that's 81, but it still has a negative exponent. Okay, the 1 is still there. It's a negative 1 exponent. But the directions said to write with positive exponents. So good, that means this is 1 over 81 because the negative tells me that the 81 belongs in the denominator, so I'm going to put it there. And remember, even though you don't see it, there's an imaginary 1 hanging out front waiting for you to recognize it. Good? Okay. This x squared, but it's to the negative 2, which means the x squared goes on the bottom. What goes on top? Yeah, there's an imaginary 1 waiting for you to recognize it. So, simplify it. We get 1 over 81x squared. Good? Okay, I have some examples coming your way. You work on them first before you find my answer key video. Catch you on the flip side.